Okay, so we have programmed it to an extent. And I have to still actually make the electronics. Right now I'm just running on a breadboard. It has 6 controls for each of the 6 motors, which would be grip, grip, hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, and chest. So the final step after I finish the electronics and building a nice control board is going to be adding a play and record button. So that way you can set this to a certain movement, hit record, set it to another movement, hit record, etc., and then play it back, and it'll play it all back automatically. So here as an example, I'm going to manually try and move it to pick up that block. So I'm not totally skilled at which control does what yet, but when you're recording, this won't matter because it's just the start and the end points, and the computer will figure out the rest and the smoothest way to get there. See, I gotta drop the shoulder down, open the grip a bit, turn the wrist a bit, and there we go. Now I should be able to close the grip, even though it's not completely straight. This grip is pretty damn strong. Okay, now I want to lift this up. And you can see I could turn it around and put it down somewhere else. I put that white background there to make things a little easier to see. So we've got all kinds of electronics and junk back there. But you get the idea. Again, I'm not very skilled at controlling this puppy yet. How's my wrist? There we go. And open the grip. Ooh, that's because of the wiring here. It's jittery like that because these little plug-in wires are not all that solid. Once it's all soldered up, that won't be a problem anymore. I can just move away from it. Am I done? Pretty cool, huh? It's a little wobbly, but that's because it's built out of just these cheesy little brackets and screws. And these servers are single bearing servers. They have one bearing on one side and the other is just a handmade bearing. So with more expensive motors or better brackets, this could be pretty damn cool. Yeah, see, that one's shaky. I actually burned out a motor last night because of these shaky pots. Because if you try and push a motor way past its extreme for too long, it'll actually short out the motor. And that's what would happen because my switch was going haywire. So yeah, I'm going to solder this all up so it'll work perfectly. And it'll be pretty cool. See if I can wave by. Till next time. Ah! Cool.